Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. This saves time later. Sign into your Microsoft account on any device, make sure your Nintendo Switch has the latest firmware, and check eShop payment is set. Once done, open Nintendo eShop and search Minecraft. Choose the preview or beta listing if available in your region. Make sure you have at least 1 GB free for the preview download. This first step gets the required accounts and downloads started, so the rest is straightforward. Next, download and install the preview package. It often appears as a separate listing or add-on. Link your Microsoft account when prompted so your profile, Realms, and Marketplace access carry over. After downloading, run the game to trigger any additional required updates. Sometimes the preview requires extra patches that only install on first launch. Make sure your Switch stays online and avoid powering off mid-update. This middle phase completes the installation and account linking for a working preview build. Finally, launch the preview, sign into your Microsoft account, and open a test world or Realms to confirm functionality. If you encounter crashes or missing features, power cycle the Switch, clear the game's cache, and re-download the preview package. Make sure your region supports the preview. If account linking fails, unlink and relink the Microsoft account under Settings. As one key troubleshooting tip, persistent license or region errors often require contacting Nintendo or Microsoft support to resolve account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.